You're not leaving.
Away?
You're being kidnapped.
It's a 10-minute drive. Why would I take a nap, sir?
No, I'm saying you're being kidnapped.
I do not have kids, sir.
No, you're not leaving.
Leaving away.
The car.
What about the car?
I'm taking you with me.
Well, yeah, you're taking me to Starbucks to get a venti mocha swirl.
No, I'm taking you to my house.
Your house has a Starbucks? How did you do that?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay. Then just take me to the one 10 minutes away.
Are you an idiot?
I'm Italian, actually.
You're a nut job.
I'm allergic, actually.
No, you're an airhead.
Arrowhead? I've never heard of that band.
No, like you're crazy.
My name's Victoria, not Gracie.
Get out!
Away.
Here.
Oh, we're here?
We haven't moved!